We started this Monarch Way Station grant program. We first had the idea that we would start a Monarch Way Station and do some signage and just educational signage in the community for people coming into our community park. But we decided, why don't we expand that and try to reach a larger audience? And we did a grant program with our conservation district in Woodford County. And what it is we gave each participant 10 pollinator plants that were for monarch butterflies, but also for other pollinators to try to attract pollinators. And every person would plant those in their yard. So we did 20 grants this year, and we're going to hope to expand in the future to more participants. But we had, everybody was so excited about, they received the 10 plants worth $50. They all planted them in their yard. So now we have, 20 monarch butterfly gardens across the community. So it's important because the monarch populations are in decline. Each year the numbers are dropping, and that's due to habitat loss, the milkweed that they feed on, a lot of loss of that, and several different factors going on. And not only that, but just pollinators in general. Our native pollinators are in decline as well due to the same issues. And so we've tried to promote in extension just planting pollinator gardens, whether it's native gardens or just things to attract pollinators and keep those populations up. My name is Faye Kuosman, and it starts with us.